Young Kiwis are more multi-language capable and multi-skilled than previous generations ever were, said Race Relations Commissioner Meng Foon. That was made even more apparent by the youngsters at St Mary's Catholic Primary School as Mr Foon visited the school to promote New Zealand Chinese Language Week. He was blown away by the level of Chinese and or Maori language skills shown by the students.
The children knew a lot of Chinese words already. They already associated themselves with noodles and chopsticks and Chinese takeaways and moon festivals. It's just awesome. And the Maori and English obviously, and so our children are more multi-language, more multi-skilled than our parents and grandparents will ever be.
The former mayor of 18 years was invited by the New Zealand Chinese Language Week Trust to speak at St Mary's. He arrived equipped with a unique book, Daniel's Matariki Feast, which has been published in Chinese, English and Maori. He read the book to an enthusiastic group of Year 5 and Year 6 students and Chinese language students. Mr Foon wrote in Chinese on the classroom whiteboard, offered translations from the book and of local Maori place names, and discussed food and culture from China.
It was a really great opportunity for me to learn a bit more Chinese, to expand my knowledge. I speak Chinese with my friends and also at home. We do various Chinese activities at home too, to keep the culture going.
He left 2 copies of Daniel's Matariki Feast at the school. Anyone wanting to get a copy needs to apply through the New Zealand Chinese Language Week website. Mr Foon told the Herald that there were many connections between China, our biggest trading partner, and New Zealand.
The clothes and the goods and products that actually come from China, that are made in China with different brands across the world. And it's really that whakawhanaungatanga that's going to help us go forward and to understand each other and to respect each other's culture is the key aim of this particular event, Chinese Language Week.
Mr Foon has been the Race Relations Commissioner for 2 years. It covered the important issues of racism, ignorance and lack of respect in some quarters.
I asked the Commission to actually not take complaints on Te Reo Māori because it's frivolous. It's a national language. It's a legal identity of language in New Zealand. It's traditional to New Zealand, and so why should people complain about it?